Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can find and copy your CPEN deposit address on your BitMart account. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to go over to your assets. First of all, this is the home page of my BitMart account. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see down there at the bottom right, you have to tap on assets. So let me tap on assets. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see spot. You can see it right there at the top, tap on spot. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on deposit. Right here is the step where you have to search out the crypto that you want to copy its deposit address, and for this case we are looking for CPEN deposit address. So you have to scroll through to look for CPEN. To find it easily, you have to use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon right away. Then let me type in CPEN, CPEN. So guys can see it right there. You can see the CPEN logo, you can see the name right there, CPEN. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it. So now the next step you have to take now is to actually choose the right network. You can see right there Binance Smart Chain is selected, which is BNB. Make sure the network you select is BNB. Let me tap on that drop down icon to show you guys. You can see it right there, BSC BNB Smart Chain. Make sure it's BIP20 BNB Smart Chain that you selected as the network. That's the right network you have to go for. So let me tap on confirm. Now the next step you have to take now is to copy your CPEN deposit address. You can see that in circled area right there. That's your CPEN deposit address. So what you have to do to copy it is to tap on where you can see copy. So let me tap on copy. You can see copy to clipboard. Now I've been able now to show you how you can find and copy your CPEN deposit address on your BitMart account. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.